Have you ever wondered how powerful your thoughts and beliefs can be? Imagine, if you will, a world where your every thought, every belief, holds the power to shape your reality. A world where the mind is not merely a vessel for thought, but a catalyst for creation. This isn't the realm of fantasy or science fiction, but a principle deeply rooted in the understanding of our own minds. It's known as the law of attraction, a concept that suggests we have the ability to attract into our lives whatever we are focusing on. The law of attraction is not a New Age philosophy, but rather an age-old understanding of the power of the mind. It posits that positive thoughts bring about positive experiences, and negative thoughts correspondingly breed negative experiences. This isn't just about wishful thinking or blind optimism, it's about understanding the immense power that resides within our own minds. Think of it this way: our minds are like magnets, attracting experiences and outcomes that align with our dominant thoughts and beliefs. When we think positively, we set ourselves up for positive experiences. Conversely, when we harbor negative thoughts, we create a breeding ground for negativity in our lives. This principle isn't just about attracting material possessions or superficial success, it's about fostering a mindset that encourages growth, positivity, and well-being. The law of attraction suggests that our thoughts and beliefs don't just influence our actions, they define our reality. The mind, in all its complexity, is a powerful tool, capable of shaping our experiences, our attitudes, and ultimately, our lives. By understanding the law of attraction, we can tap into this power, using our thoughts and beliefs to create a reality that aligns with our deepest desires and aspirations. Indeed, the power of the mind is immense, often far beyond our comprehension, but by harnessing this power, by understanding and applying the law of attraction, we can start to shape our lives in ways we never thought possible. We can start to create our own reality, rather than simply reacting to the world around us. To delve deeper into this concept, let us explore the wisdom of Joseph Murphy. A prominent figure in the New Thought movement, Murphy penned the influential book titled The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. This seminal work is a treasure trove of insights about the role of our subconscious mind in shaping our reality. Murphy proposed that our subconscious mind is a powerful tool that works tirelessly, shaping our experiences based on the thoughts we feed it. He emphasized that our subconscious mind doesn't distinguish between positive and negative thoughts. Instead, it accepts whatever we believe to be true, and works to manifest it in our lives. Imagine your subconscious mind as a fertile garden. If you plant seeds of positivity, optimism, and success, that's exactly what you'll grow. But if you sow seeds of negativity, fear, or failure, alas, that's what will take root and flourish. Murphy's teachings also shed light on the alignment of our conscious and subconscious thoughts. He suggested that we often live in a state of internal conflict, where our conscious desires clash with our subconscious beliefs. This discord can create obstacles in our path to success and fulfillment. But here's the good news. Murphy believed that we can bridge this gap through the power of positive affirmations. By consistently affirming our desires and goals, we can gradually reprogram our subconscious mind. This alignment of our conscious desires and subconscious beliefs can amplify our ability to attract our desired outcomes. Think of it this way: your conscious mind is the captain of your ship, and your subconscious mind is the crew. When the captain and the crew are in harmony, navigating towards the same destination, the journey becomes smoother, and the chances of reaching the desired destination increase manifold. So, what's the takeaway from Murphy's teachings? It's simple. Our subconscious mind plays a pivotal role in shaping our reality. If we can harness its power and align it with our conscious desires, we can manifest the life we truly desire. As Murphy suggests, aligning our conscious and subconscious mind can unlock our potential to attract success and well-being. Let us now examine the transformative power of positive thinking. Imagine a world where every thought you have begins to shape the reality around you. Sounds like a fantasy, right? But this is the principle at the heart of positive thinking. Positive thinking isn't just about putting a smile on your face. It's about truly believing in the best possible outcome and allowing that belief to guide your actions. When you wholeheartedly embrace positivity, you're not just creating a happier mindset, you're also creating a more favorable environment for success and well-being. Let's consider an example. Imagine two climbers, both equally prepared, about to scale a mountain. One is filled with self-doubt, constantly ruminating on the possibility of failure. The other, however, is brimming with confidence, visualizing the triumphant moment of reaching the summit. Who do you think is more likely to succeed? The climber who is positively visualizing success isn't just more motivated but also more resilient to obstacles. That's because positive thinking helps to build mental resilience, a crucial factor for overcoming challenges and achieving our goals. Now let's think about how this applies to everyday life. When you wake up in the morning, if your first thought is, "Today is going to be a great day," you're setting a positive tone for the entire day. Even if challenges arise, you're more likely to tackle them with a proactive and optimistic attitude. On the other hand, if you start your day with negativity, you're likely to perceive the day's events through a pessimistic lens, which can lead to a self-fulfilling prophecy of a bad day. The power of positive thinking isn't just a motivational mantra, it's a practical tool that can help shape your reality. The more you cultivate positive thoughts, the more you'll begin to see positive changes in your life. Remember, your thoughts have the power to transform your life. We hope you're finding this exploration of positive thinking and belief enlightening. If you are, why not become a part of our thriving community? By liking this video and subscribing to our channel, you're not only supporting our work, but also helping others discover these empowering insights. Beyond thoughts, our beliefs hold significant sway over our lives. This isn't just a philosophical musing, it's a fact backed by countless stories of people who've achieved the seemingly impossible, driven by their unwavering belief. Beliefs are like the compass guiding our actions. They shape our perceptions, steer our behavior, and ultimately, sculpt our reality. When we believe in our abilities, we unlock a world of possibilities. But when we doubt, our world shrinks, and doors of opportunity seem to close. Take the story of Thomas Edison, the man who invented the light bulb. He faced 10,000 unsuccessful attempts before finally succeeding. What kept him going? His belief. He believed that each failure was a step closer to success. If he had allowed doubt to creep in, we might still be living in a world lit by candles. Or consider Helen Keller, who despite being blind and deaf, became an accomplished author, political activist and lecturer. Her belief in her abilities was stronger than any physical handicap. She once said, "The only thing worse than being blind is having sight but no vision." Her belief was her vision. Beliefs are powerful because they're self-reinforcing. If you believe you're capable, you're more likely to take on challenging tasks, persist in the face of adversity, and therefore achieve your goals. On the other hand, if you believe you're incapable, you're more likely to avoid challenges, give up easily, and thus, fail to reach your potential. The key is to nurture beliefs that empower you. Believe that you can overcome obstacles. Believe that you have unique talents to offer. Believe that your dreams are within reach. Belief is not about ignoring reality or blindly hoping for the best. It's about having the courage to bet on yourself, even when the odds seem stacked against you. It's about holding on to hope, even in the face of adversity. Remember, the power of belief is a two-edged sword. It can propel you towards your dreams or hold you back. The choice is yours to make. Harness the power of belief, and you become the master of your destiny. Your beliefs can be your most powerful ally or your greatest enemy. How can we apply these concepts in our everyday lives? Let's delve deep into the practical application of the law of attraction in our daily lives. Imagine you're at the starting point of a new career path. The key here is to visualize your success. Picture yourself accomplishing your goals. Feel the satisfaction, the pride, the joy that comes with it. This positive visualization sends a powerful message to your subconscious mind, setting the stage for your conscious mind to follow through with actions that lead to success. Next, let's talk about relationships. It could be a romantic relationship, a friendship, or a bond with a family member. The law of attraction encourages you to focus on the qualities you admire and cherish in others. By doing so, you're more likely to attract individuals who embody these qualities into your life. Remember, like attracts like. What about personal growth? Here, the law of attraction serves as a tool for self-improvement. Whether it's learning a new skill, adopting healthier habits, or working on emotional intelligence, start by setting clear, positive intentions. Visualize your desired outcome and believe in your ability to achieve it. Your subconscious mind will work in harmony with your conscious efforts, propelling you towards your goals. Now, it's important to remember that applying the law of attraction is not a one-time event. It's a continuous process, a journey that requires consistent positive thinking and belief. It's not about denying negative thoughts or experiences, but rather acknowledging them, and then choosing to focus on the positive. This choice to stay optimistic in the face of adversity is what fuels the transformative power of the law of attraction. In essence, the law of attraction is about aligning our thoughts, feelings, and actions to resonate with what we desire. It's about transforming our mindset to become a magnet for positivity, success, and well-being. When applied consistently, these principles can bring about profound changes in our lives. So, why not start today? Begin to visualize, believe, and attract the life you want to live. Your journey towards a more fulfilling life is just a thought away. Let us revisit the key points we have discussed. We began by exploring the power of thoughts and beliefs. We learned that our minds are like magnets, drawing experiences into our lives that mirror our thoughts, whether positive or negative. This is the essence of the law of attraction, a principle that emphasizes the importance of maintaining a positive mindset. Then we delved into the wisdom of Joseph Murphy, a pioneer whose teachings have greatly enriched our understanding of this law. Through his seminal work, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, Murphy revealed how our subconscious minds have a profound influence on our reality. He taught us that by aligning our conscious thoughts with our subconscious beliefs, we can supercharge our ability to attract success and well-being. We also discussed the power of positive thinking. By consciously choosing to focus on positive thoughts, we can influence our subconscious mind, shaping our reality to align with our desires. This is not about ignoring the negative, but rather about choosing to dwell on the positive, thereby attracting more of the same into our lives. Next, we turned our attention to the power of belief. We learned that believing in our ability to achieve our goals is a vital part of the law of attraction. By truly believing, we send a powerful message to the universe which responds in kind, helping us manifest our desires into reality. Finally, we explored practical ways to apply the law of attraction in our lives. We discovered that this isn't a one-size-fits-all approach, but rather a tool that can be tailored to our unique circumstances, whether that's in our careers, relationships, or personal growth journeys. Remember, the power to shape your life lies within your thoughts and beliefs. Harness this power, align your conscious and subconscious minds, and watch as your world transforms in response. Embrace the power of your thoughts and beliefs, and uncover the limitless potential within you. Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. We truly appreciate your curiosity and your drive to understand and apply the law of attraction in your life. Until our next video, see you soon.